हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। सो अगर आप थाईलैंड ट्रिप प्लान करने वाले हो, स्पेशली फुकेट, देन दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू सेव यू टाइम, मनी और थोड़ा सा ड्रामा भी। इस वीडियो में हम कवर करने वाले हैं बेस्ट टाइम टू विजिट, फ्लाइट्स एंड वीज़ा बेसिक्स, होटल एंड रूम टूर, फूड लोकल से लेके मिशेलिन स्टार तक हमने जो भी ट्राई किया, मोबाइल डेटा, लोकल ट्रैवल, मसाजेस और एक सॉलिड 4 डे आइटिनरी एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉच इट टिल द एंड। एंड 100% ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू, नो स्पॉन्सरशिप, नो शुगर कोटिंग। सो लेट्स गो। सबसे पहले बेस्ट टाइम टू विजिट वुड बी फ्रॉम नवंबर टू मार्च. Weather is a little humid but pleasant in the night. Next is we took direct flights from Mumbai to Phuket, so there are many direct flights available over here. Next is our hotel. So हम लोगों ने stay किया था in Courtyard by Marriott, which was located in the Phuket Town. Now there's another Courtyard by Marriott which is also located in Patong. It's on the main street of Patong Beach, but वहाँ पे it is super crowded, loud, and there are like party vibes 24/7. So if you are a party vibe kind of a person, you can definitely opt for the location that is in Patong Beach, but that is again a little more expensive as well. हमारा पर्सनल फेवरेट था ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन बिकॉज दैट एरिया इज सो लाइक क्वाइट, देयर इज हार्डली एनी रश and there are so many beautiful Sino-Portuguese architecture buildings around. Local food is too good. There are so many Michelin star restaurants around there. So our favorite location was Old Phuket Town, and I think we did a great job by picking that over the Patong Beach one. Just look at the view from our room. It is beautiful. For the visa, you can fill the TDAP Thailand digital arrival card. We've put the link in the description. You need to fill basic information and you will get an e-visa. Ideally, take a printout. They had asked us this document during our immigration when we landed in Phuket. Next is the food. Now, most of these restaurants are around Old Phuket Town because we really enjoyed the food there as well. So, you'll get a lot of local items around everywhere in Phuket. So, our favorite local items were pad thai noodles and crab meat rice. Next is this Michelin star restaurant, which is also very famous, which is Wanchung. Now हमने literally 3 बार ट्राई किया था यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए, and finally in one weekday afternoon we got a spot here. So the rush is real, but the food is good. So we tried their yellow crab meat curry, the pork belly, and the fried squid. Crab meat curry was really good. Pork belly I didn't try, but that's also one of their signature dishes. Squid was not good. It was really overcooked and it made it very chewy. So for a Michelin star restaurant, that's not expected, but overall it was maybe like a 7.5 on 10. नेक्स्ट इज द मैंगो स्टिकी राइस. अगेन वेरी फेमस, ये आपको फुकेट में हर जगह मिलेगा, बट ऑनेस्ट ओपिनियन मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं आया. सो बेसिकली इट्स जस्ट मैंगो विद स्टिकी राइस एंड थोड़ा सा कोकोनट मिल्क. टेस्ट पूरा डिपेंड करता है कि मैंगो कितना स्वीट है, बट आई वुड से इट्स अ 6 on 10. Next are the crepes, and oh my god, you should definitely try this. This also is easily available everywhere. So there was some in Patong Beach, also in Old Phuket Town, also in the night market also. So we had the Nutella banana one, and oh my god, it was so good. It's literally in coconut oil, and like the taste is too good. Also, it's I think for 100 baht. You have a couple of options in the flavors as well, so you can choose. But must try. This is my most favorite part of the entire Phuket trip, and that was this super aesthetic, insta-worthy lane where you had this amazing Sino-Portugal architecture, again located in Old Phuket Town. So हमने यहाँ पे ट्राई किया था मैंगो मिल्क शेक इन दिस ओसो मैंगो, and it looks honestly like a good prop for your pictures as well. So यहाँ पे there was also Tori's ice cream which was very famous. Then cute local shops, boutiques, cafe और वही beautiful Sino-Portuguese buildings जहाँ पे you can take photos and honestly spend around 2 to 3 hours easily. I would say the most aesthetic and cute spot which you cannot miss in Phuket. एंड हमने आइसक्रीम स्पेशली जेलाटो लिटरली 4-5 जगह से ट्राई किया था, इंक्लूडिंग टोरीज आइसक्रीम विच वॉज रियली फेमस, बट आर पर्सनल फेवरेट was this Isola gelato, which was your authentic gelato in those, steel containers covered, and the taste was so rich. Definitely a must try. Next up is the Sunday night market, which is a must visit. ये आप miss कर ही नहीं सकते. It's a crime to miss this. So ये सब Sunday nights को ही होता है, and you can enjoy food, shopping, souvenirs, live music, सब कुछ एक जगह. और यहाँ पे भी आप easily 3 से 4 घंटा निकाल पाते हो. And there's so much of food variety to try from sushis, pancakes, gyozas, your burgers, every single thing, including the local specialities of Phuket and Thai food. Even if your Phuket trip is for like 1 or 2 days, I think you should definitely, if it's falling on a Sunday, you should just cover the night market, because you will see a glimpse of everything about their culture and shopping and everything at one place. Next is, of course, if we talk about food, how can you miss on 7-Eleven? So these are our 7-Eleven finds. और लिटरली हमारे 7-Eleven के बिल्स हमारे रेस्टोरेंट के बिल्स से भी ज़्यादा थे. But these were all the items that we tried and loved, from snacks to drinks to desserts, the cheese toasties, and of course the famous Meiji strawberry chocolate banana flavor. Too good. और अगर आप पूरा दिन travel करने वाले हो, or you have a packed routine, or if you don't have breakfast included in your stay, which we didn't have, so you can definitely stock up stuff from 7-Eleven, because they have a huge variety of sandwiches, everything that you can think of, and it'll be a great snack on the go. But it is not that cheap also. नेक्स्ट अप इज फॉर मोबाइल डेटा. नाउ यू कैन विजिट क्लूक वेबसाइट, उनका ऐप भी है, और वहाँ पे आप पैकेज सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो, आप ऑनलाइन बाय कर सकते हो. हमने वहाँ पे फुकेट में पहुँच के ले लिया था. इट वॉज सुपर ईजी एंड हैसल फ्री. नेक्स्ट अप इज लोकल ट्रैवल इन फुकेट. अभी हमने स्कूटी रेंट की थी एक लोकल शॉप से, विच वॉज राइट ऑपोजिट आवर होटल, बट यू हैव मेनी अदर लोकल शॉप्स ऑल अराउंड फुकेट to give this service. So this scooty costed us 300 baht per day. We had also, which was actually a good deal. So we had also tried booking cabs from this famous app called Grab. But honestly it was काफ़ी expensive. आपको one way trip ही 300 to 400 baht में लग जाती है. So renting a scooty, if you know how to ride one, is a smart choice over here. मसाज के लिए हम गए थे किम्स मसाज. इनके भी बहुत सारे आउटलेट्स हैं एंड रिव्यूज़ आर गुड एवरीवेयर. सो वी ट्राइड दिस. So we had taken the starting full body massage for I think 1.5 hours, which costed us 500 to 600 baht per massage. But they have a lot of different packages for you to choose from. You can also literally choose the oil that you want, right? So we had opted for the lavender flavor, but they have a couple of options and it's a bliss. But I would suggest book the massage after a couple of days of your trip. Once you're like tired and you need that relaxation, that's when you can go for it. अगर फुकेत आए हो आइलैंड हॉपिंग नहीं किया तो फिर क्या ही किया. So you can visit a lot of different islands and easily book them from local stores all around Phuket. So we had done the Fifi Island and James Bond Island trip, which costed us 1400 baht per person for one trip. And you can also enjoy a lot of different activities there, like snorkeling. We had done scuba diving, so you can enjoy all those things. See this log of ours to get further details on that. This is Hanuman World, Three Wise Monkeys. So here you have these 3-4 different restaurants at a single place. The view is too good. You can enjoy a lot of different activities like zip lining, and it's literally such a long route. It covers the entire scenic view on around all of the restaurants, and definitely if you have kids you should visit it. You can easily spend an entire day over here. Take great pictures, enjoy great food, and have a blast. Last but not the least, this is a 4-day Phuket itinerary. You can take a screenshot of this for your next Phuket trip. It's literally everything that we have loved, tried, and this would be the best recommendation that we can give you to follow on a 4-day trip to Phuket. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.